Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious make-ahead shrimp dip. Perfect for parties or any gathering. As we all know, life can get extremely busy, so preparing this ahead of time and baking when you need it is the perfect solution to deliver delicious meals without stress. It is my pleasure to provide you with all the tips and tricks and delicious dips in this case that are no fail, recipes you can count on. If you're new to our channel, then welcome to the Greenhouse family. And if you're already a part of the Greenhouse family, we welcome you back with appreciation. So, without further ado, let's get started. We will be using a variety of different seasonings in this recipe, but the base of the recipe starts with softened cream cheese, mayonnaise, and sour cream. We'll then add spices and some secret ingredients that are not so secret. You'll also need 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using white cheddar cheese, but you can really use whatever cheese you prefer. This dip is very versatile, so you can add or remove anything you like or prefer to this recipe. To a large bowl, add 2 packs of softened cream cheese. Now add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Using a fork or potato masher, go ahead and squish it all together. Of course, that is the technical term. Depending on the softness of your cream cheese, this may require a little elbow grease. Now add a half a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Then add 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 crushed garlic clove, a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce. If you'd like a little bit of heat, add 1 teaspoon of Frank's Red Hot. You can also add more if you really want it to be spicy. Next, add the zest and the juice of 1 lemon. And for the not so secret ingredients, a squirt of ketchup. I also added just a little bit of grounded sea salt. You can omit this completely if you need to. Now go ahead and vigorously mix until it's light and fluffy. Your mixture should start to look fluffy, light, and creamy. Okay, so I'll now go ahead and add the remaining spices. Don't be alarmed if you don't get them all in one shot, but stick around to the end of the video because I have a full list of ingredients in the form of a recipe card for you as a thank you for watching this video. I'm adding a teaspoon of the following ingredients: basil, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Again, if you'd like it a little more spicy, then don't hold back. Go ahead and add some more cayenne pepper. Go ahead and mix until completely combined. At this stage, your dip is really starting to come together. It's light and fluffy, airy. It almost looks ready for a cracker, doesn't it? But not so fast. It wouldn't be a shrimp dip without the shrimp. Let's get to the other ingredients. Now go ahead and add your shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using approximately 1 cup, but just leaving about a 1/4 cup behind to top off our dip before baking. Now speaking of shrimp, I've washed my shrimp in a splash of lemon juice and sprinkled them with a small amount of seafood seasoning. You can use fresh or frozen shrimp for this. However, just make sure to remove the shells and devein them if needed. I'm using 300 grams of shrimp. Just a friendly reminder to pat dry your shrimp before seasoning. And now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's add our shrimp to the cheese mixture. I've cut my shrimp into 3 pieces to make it easier when picking up with a cracker. Now add chopped green onions. And ever so gently mix the ingredients together. Now add your mixture to your baking container. I'm using my fork to lay everything flat. Top with the remaining cheddar cheese. Add some fresh green onions to the top of your dip. In the oven it goes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the make ahead portion. If you'd like to put this away for another day, go ahead and put it in your container that you'll be baking it in. Then you can refrigerate or place it in a freezer for when you're ready for it. When you're ready to bake, simply preheat the oven to 450 degrees and bake for 20 minutes. And just like that, your seafood dip is ready to be devoured. Now all you have to do is wait for it to cool down. Just 10 minutes, but it'll be worth it. Your patience will reward you because the texture will be just incredibly creamy and delicious. Now, I'm not entirely sure that you're ready for this. The rich decadence of the perfectly melted cheese along with bites of delicious shrimp. What more can you ask for? Judging by the popularity of this dish in my household, I highly recommend that you make 2 to 3 portions of this and just put it in the freezer. This recipe will actually make 2 portions. I was able to get 2 servings out of this recipe. One 4x5 and one 5x6. But let me just tell you, you will not be disappointed. If you're making this for a get-together, then this is a win. Serve it with some crackers or cut up vegetables or your favorite bread recipe. Now, if you don't have a bread recipe, check out this easy bread recipe right here. Now, as promised, I've included a recipe card for you. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. You can also check out my Make Ahead casserole dish in my breakfast playlist. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.